Hello folks, if you're new around here, my name is James, how do you do? And welcome to the weekend vlogs. Today it is Friday the 1st of November 2019. So how are you guys doing this morning and or this week or this weekend? And it's just the start of the weekend, but let's get it to go. But if you're wondering what you're actually on, it's on actually one of my cups. I'll show you after I zip my jacket up. But I would be taking off in about probably about 10-20 minutes or so. But I don't know. We'll see. Might keep it on for the day, but I might be I will be putting my bigger coat on as well. If you're wondering what you were on, it was last one. This one here. With my other cup collections. So that's United one. Betrayal one, your best boyfriend, cream egg, two super trams, and what us from Sheffield call them, salt and pepper pots, or cooling towers, official train spotter, Tetley's, Sheffield, that beautiful downtown Belmont Lane, and the best boyfriend ever. I got the Station Master as well, but I don't actually use that one for hot drinks. So yeah, so that's just in case if you want to know what cups. I've got another one downstairs, but I can show you afterwards. That reminds me, do you want me to do a video on how to make a good cup of tea? If so, put a comment down below and we'll see if I can do that. So yeah, so I suppose I will get on and finish on getting ready. I'm going up to Shaun's on a wet day in Sheffield on Friday. So yeah, so I'll catch you probably where we get to. Probably at Shaun's, if not Wetherspoons. So yeah, so I'll speak to you in a bit. See if it's on train, but depends on train and depends if it's busy or not. So yeah, so that's see you in a minute. So if you'd like to know what the other cup was from the last clip, you might saw a bit then, but who wants a Yorkshire tea? Good old Yorkshire tea. This is my other cup, what I was mentioning, and that is it for time. But apparently I'm going to get another one from Shaun when I see him later on today when I'm recording this. But for you guys who, when this video goes out, you've already seen it. Aha. So I suppose I get off. It is now 8:30 on a Friday morning. I have to get there bright and early. We might get the 9 o'clock, but I'm going to check the train times and the tram, or I can work out the tram from this end. So I'll speak to you out there somewhere. We'll see. Welcome to Sheffield, guys. But I'm currently at my second home, what I say, the Sheffield station. Be getting the 9:36, I think. Sheffield Huddersfield. Is at Meadowhall, Chapeltown, Kelso, Barnsley, Dogworth, and all stops up to Huddersfield. And I don't know what unit I'm having yet, but I will show you on what it is. So yeah, I hope you're going to be enjoying my videos, or yesterday's or Friday's vlog when this goes out. I will mention it on the football video as well. But today is a bit gloomy, a bit wet, damp, what other words you want to explain. So yeah, so right now, in the cold, waiting for my train to arrive. When it comes, Everybody, the train was just announced is over on platform 3. Yes, platform 3. So yeah, so I speak to you when I get to near Chapeltown, or in Chapeltown itself. So in a minute. I need something there. I need something there. Come on, turn off.
This train is for Huddersfield. The next stop is Meadowhall.
Customers are requested to remain vigilant. If you see anything suspicious, please report it to a member of staff or the British Transport Police via text on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it. If you travel with a smart card, you must ensure that you buy and load your tickets before you travel. If you do not have a valid ticket for your journey, you may be subject to a penalty in line with the National Rail Conditions of Travel. For more information, visit northernrailway.co.uk/smart.
On the Huddersfield. It doesn't feel one of what I've actually filmed. I'm going to film it leaving Chapeltown. So yeah. So I'll probably catch it in Wetherspoons if it's not too busy. And if Shaun's alright for us to film, then do it that way. So I will see you all in Chapeltown. See you there. Right folks, I'm currently up at Shaun's, just having a little play on the layout. That we have a 47 there, 47 here, 41, what I've actually seen in real life. I will put a picture just at the top of the screen about here of it, of me with a picture, or not actually me with a picture, but my picture will be there. We have a full yard of wagons and a few. There's an 08 there, there's an 08 there, there's two 25s there, 31 there. Say Shaun have a cuppa.
Good afternoon everybody.
There's another yard there. There's a DMU here. It will be pouring out very shortly after I've moved the 47 onto the back. I'll just put this, by the way, this station is Nottingham, as it will say here. Right there, it says Nottingham. But originally, Shaun wasn't actually from Nottingham, wasn't you, Shaun?
No, the station was built because of a school friend who lived in Nottingham. When I used to travel up from the eastern counties to go and look at the trains, I was just taken by this large station that had a load of different trains than we normally had. So Nottingham it is.
It is actually originally from Ipswich, correct?
Correct? More or less, yeah, I'd say Ipswich.
In the Ipswich area of the UK. So yeah, so that's where he's actually from. Now he's moved up to the lovely Sheffield a few years back now, aren't you, Shaun?
About 25 years ago.
25 years. So yeah, so he's joined the railway when he moved up, I think.
Sort of. I did various different jobs. So I was an instructor, a computer instructor for a few years. Then I got a job with National Rail Inquiries answering phone calls, and started with East Midland Trains in about 2013, where I am now in customer service, looking after our first class lounge and general inquiries, sometimes working on the front of the station at the information point.
And now the company is REMR.
That's right, we're now owned by Abellio, which is a Dutch railway company, and yeah, we are now East Midland Railway.
What is quite a different livery on some of their units. So yeah, so having a good afternoon. It's currently now 1:38 or 13:38. I do apologise for the brightness there, but the light is just up just there, a bit bright. So yes, so I'll probably speak to you before I will get off from here when I'll go down to the bus. But the next clip will be me saying cheerio to Shaun. That's the plan. We'll see what happens. We'll see. Right folks, I know it's a bit dark over here because I'm in the darkness.
Just put a light on if you want to.
Right, we'll be going in a sec. I'd like to say thank you to Shaun who is over there.
Thank you James for coming along and making it a nice day.
And we'll be meeting up again very soon.
We definitely will.
But I'm not too sure on what day as yet, but I'll let you guys know. And stay with everyone else who know me in my vlogs, like Morgan and Grace. But you'll be seeing Grace this weekend anyways, so yeah. So I'd say thank you to Shaun. Then we'll see him next time.
Will do.
So I'll catch you probably when I'm on the bus, probably. If not, it would be up at Grace's. So in a minute. Right, folks. I'm actually in Stocksbridge now. I'm decide to walk as I get in the bus, so I can get a bit of exercise in. But the bus the pals was very clean inside. With the brightness in the bus interior, very good. Well done pals. You have done well to keep our new buses in service. So yeah, so currently, as I mentioned, walking up to get the bus. I'm not too sure what time I'll be getting to Grace's for, but I will get there soon for about 20 minutes or so. Yeah. So I'll speak to you when I'm at Grace's, probably later on tonight when I'm finishing off the vlog. So anyway, so yeah, see you there. Yeah, it used to be a pub, but now it's nothing. Oh yeah, enjoy the walk. Right folks, it's been a couple hours since the last clip. I'm going to keep my voice down because we've got girls here tonight. So it's I've had a good day. I'll tell you more in the morning. Yes, look who's here.
Hi guys.
So today has been a good day, but I'll tell you more over the weekend. I'm not too sure what else we've got planned. So yeah, so we're going to get off to bed now. I will see you in the morning. So, night night. Bye.
Hey.
Good morning folks. So how are you guys doing this morning? It is Saturday the 2nd of November 2019. So how are you guys doing this morning? I'm doing good. It's currently now just gone after 11. If you want, you can watch mine if you like.
Right.
You can watch mine if you like.
Sure.
I was been talking to Grace, who is sat here.
Hey, good morning guys.
So we're currently watching YouTube. We're about to watch YouTube. I will show you on screen when I zoom in. There you go. On Grace's telly. Zoom back out again. So yeah, so right, today is just laid back for timing, but I will be getting ready, we will be getting ready later, and then going from there. We're going to get ready later so we can go out later on tonight to see some fireworks.
Yep.
So yeah, but I will show you what we're wearing later on, but I won't be vlogging that. Yeah, someone else's house, we'll say. No one's actually mentioned the name as yet.
Yeah.
So yeah. So we just for time being shut up.
Yep.
What else can I say? So anyways, I'll speak to you a bit later on.
Yep.
Probably later on this afternoon. In a minute. Alright folks, it's been a couple hours since the last clip. The last clip was actually this morning.
Yeah.
And now it's night, it's gone after 11 o'clock. Time for bed, I think.
Yeah.
The same on my hair. So we've been up to watch the fireworks. Good fireworks tonight. Had
Yep.
3 drinks as well.
Oh yeah.
Not saying anything, it's the same because it's not a brand deal. So yeah. So I suppose I will get off. I'll see you Sunday morning with another clip. About 2 or 3 plus clips.
Yep.
And then one for definite morning.
Yeah.
One sometimes is generally me waiting for the bus. You know when I get home.
Yep.
So probably 3 clips altogether.
Or possible.
But we'll see. Anyways, I suppose I'll talk to you in the morning.
Yep.
In a couple of hours time. But for you guys, it'll just be a 1 second. If that, I'll see you in the next clip. So, night night. Don't wear the big book bite. Bye. Hiyo folks. So it is Sunday the 5th. So how are you guys doing today? It is gone after 11 o'clock in the morning.
Yep.
We've been up a few hours now. And I have a little gift. You wait and see what it is.
Can I open it?
No. I'm doing it when probably in tomorrow's video.
Right.
So it will be, for you guys it will be Tuesday. So yeah, so when this video goes out it will be tomorrow.
Yeah.
So yeah. So I'll let you have a few guesses on what it is. What will fit in this box? I'm not opening it. I've already seen it. So yeah. And Grace has seen it as well, but she's not saying a word.
Nope.
So put in the comment section down below on what is in this box. The review will be tomorrow. We'll show you what it is tomorrow. So yeah. So see you this afternoon.
Yeah.
As we are watching YouTube on the big TV. Right there.
Yep.
You probably go guess who it is. So yes, so I'll speak to you a bit later on this afternoon.
Yep.
So, in a minute. So folks, it's getting a bit dark now. It's almost time for bus as well. But this is actually my first time with my camera in the dark. Let's see what it's going to be like. Probably not good. So yes, so currently waiting for the SL1A, which is down here, the 1646, and it's currently, let's have a look on the time, it's 43, so it's near time. So yes, so I'll speak to you when I get home, so in a minute. Right folks, it's been a few hours since the last clip. Now it's actually just after 9 o'clock, but my last clip was actually about just after 4:30, so it's been a couple of hours since then. But anyways, I hope you had a good weekend. I have Friday went up to Shaun's as you've seen, and then chilled out Friday night, and Saturday morning chilled out, and Saturday afternoon or evening time slash that way or that way at night went to someone else's house. Well, don't want to mention any names. We went to see the fireworks, and if you'd like to know what shirt I was wearing, I've actually got it on right now. This is actually my new shirt, what I got for my birthday. So I hope you are liking this shirt. Just plain black with white stripes there, with a bit of black there. It's comfortable, long sleeved as well. Show you this side. It's same as that side as well, long sleeved. So yeah, so it's a nice shirt, whatever you like to call it. I do apologise it went barely then. So anyways, it's right. Right now, not doing a lot of stuff, but from tomorrow I will be doing this, or you will be seeing a video of this being unboxed. Can anyone know what it is? Any guesses? So yeah, any guesses what's in the box? Just put in the comment section down below, and the same on the football video, what I mentioned. For you guys it will be yesterday. For you, but right now was a couple hours ago when I did the video. I think about 2-3 hours ago. So anyways, for this coming week, on my stuff what I'm going to be doing is Monday, chilling, but I am on standby for work. But I messaged my manager, not saying any names. It says do all day Wednesday, as I am doing it anyway. And it says what other days I want to do. And this is what I'm about to say. So, Monday, hopefully tune in, do a catch up, get it done, bong, bang, bing, bong, dropped up. Then Tuesday, JC and working. Wednesday, working all day. And Thursday, working, I do all day. And then Tuesday, this Tuesday coming, so when this video goes out on the Monday, so Tuesday, I will hopefully go into After Dark. Okay, I might go to After Dark. So you got that. If I do go, that's what you will be seeing for coming up with the video. And then on the 14th, so for you guys it will be on the 15th, I will be going to Fox Valley Shopping Centre, Fox Valley, Stocksbridge, for the Christmas light switch on, and we'll be seeing the fireworks as well as. And that's what most of my week done. Yeah, Thursday we'll be working, Friday off, Saturday, Sunday off, and probably Friday, but not doing a lot. And then Saturday might be, but let me just have a quick look on the football. I'm just seeing if there's any matches down at a location where I hope might be going on Saturday. Because give us a second, guys. I didn't know what they're doing. I will find it very soon. I'll tell you what. I'll do it a quicker way. I'm going to type into Google. See what it comes up with. See when the next Saturday matches. Saturday the 9th at home. Baka. Might do, might not, we'll see. With the Bidden Derby, I think it is. It's Nottingham Forest and Derby County. And they are in Sky Bet Championship. That's why I can't find them. So anyways, so might be going down to Nottingham. We'll see. But there's a new bus started a couple of Sundays ago now. I think it was last Sunday, I think. I think it was. With the Stagecoach Gold X1 what started. And I'm hoping to do that. Fingers crossed. But I will be doing them at some point. I might be doing it Saturday. I'll just stay around the bus station for the time being. and then get a few videos, pictures, and probably get the bus back to Chesterfield, and then get the X17 from Chesterfield back to Sheffield or Meadowhall, and then get the tram. We'll see. Depends what we got. So I suppose I will get off. Before I go, I want you to be honest with me, you guys. You prefer not having the 4 steps on the screen, or you want them on the screen? That's your pick. I'll just go with the flow. But for the time being, I'm just keeping it as it is. I'm not bothered putting it on screen, so I can need to go just that way, right there, 4 steps type of thing. But I'm not doing it this week. Might do it tomorrow, but I don't know yet. Depends on what excitement I will have tomorrow. We will see about that. So, suppose I get off. It's now 21:11 or 9:11 at night on a Sunday night. And I suppose I'll go with you over here so I can smack the screen or smack the camera. What was it? So I hope you had a good weekend. As I mentioned earlier, I had a good weekend. Fireworks Saturday, Sunday not a lot. Basically today when I'm filming this, but for you guys have been yesterday. Yes. So this video will be going live. This video goes live, and when might do Wednesdays this week. But I'll let you know tomorrow on Tuesday's video. Plus it was the inbox, looking in the box just behind that. Just see it there. Right there. With a video of that and so on. So anyways, suppose I'll get on, as I mentioned about 10,000 times. So, thank you for watching if you're around here. My name is James, how do you do? And I'll see you all tomorrow's video. I'll see you tomorrow. If not, then I will see you all on Sunday for the football video. Sure. Be happy. Say bye.